Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'm going to be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour before heading inside on those high-tech features on this Land Rover Freelander 2.2 SD4 HSE Command Shift. All our Motor Match approved cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of 3 years, which is available with most of our cars. If you'd like to contact us about this car, you can phone up on 01785 899 474. So to start off our exterior tour, let's take a look at the alloys first. This car has 18-inch alloys and a 5-split spoke design with a sparkle silver finish. Panning up the car now, you can see the rear privacy glass in the back of the car, enabling your passengers travelling in the rear to have more privacy. Taking a look at the back seats now, you can see that the middle seat folds down to provide 2 cup holders for either passenger. However, you can simply fold this away to carry that 5th passenger. Taking a look at the boot now. This boot is a very spacious boot, so it would be good for carrying a pushchair or large suitcases if you are going on holiday. Moving to the front seats now. You can see that this car has a sliding sunroof, so these sunroofs do open. These sunroofs also allow all the natural light possible into the car. You can also see the leather interior, giving it a very sleek finish. That's our exterior and interior tour done. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So to start off with, you have your multifunctional steering wheel with your hands-free controls as well as a cruise control setting. Hidden away is your heated steering wheel button, which is a luxury to keep your hands nice and warm in winter. You also have all your electric window buttons. Taking a look at the dash, this car has done 80,842 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. Taking a look at your display screen now, you have your navigation system, your Bluetooth connectivity as well as your DAB radio. This car also has a reversing camera, which is good for manoeuvring into those tight spaces, allowing you to see what's behind you. You have a lovely analogue clock. On your climate control, this is a dual climate control system which features heated seats. This goes lovely with the heated steering wheel for the driver. You also have your different driving modes as well as a cup holder and your electric parking brake. Hidden away nicely is an extra cup holder as well as an aux, a USB port and a 12-volt socket. Thank you for watching this video. All our Motor Match approved cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty depending on which comes first. We also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, as well as flexible finance packages specifically tailored to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a province check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.